Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, of course, I want to highlight that yesterday, guys, the pound GPY signal from the deal of the day, which has been sent on Saturday, has actually hit the take profit level, making 91 pips of profit. I hope you guys have taken this signal and are enjoying these profits. Now, of course, however, yesterday, actually, I wasn't able to focus on my trading because I was really considering this signal, and therefore, to get that out of my head, I decided to send this update here on my group, telling them to close it right now in 40 pips of profit. And of course, it was not the right decision because it just kept rising and hit the take profit level. However, it's really important, guys, that you should consider joining the free group of Telegram to receive any updates about any deal of the day directly from me personally. However, it was a good deal, and I hope you guys can share your experience if you have taken it, if you've made any profits. Please let others know the quality of Xtreme Trader signals. Also, EURUSD from the weekly analysis has already hit the take profit level, making also another 91 pips of profit. I think Pound USD also hit the take profit level, but it has reversed just like 6 pips far away from the entry. AUDUSD has also, I think, if we look at the daily chart, it has almost reversed just like 3 pips far away from the entry. USDCAD is still ranging inside of the safe zone. USDCHF is running in about 30 pips of profit. NZD/USD, the gold has almost been activated. It just reversed like 13 pips far away from the entry and now in 130 pips of profit. Thankfully, there has been some comments on the last video saying that they have made profits with the gold. So for that, I'm happy. And again, guys, please share your experience in the comments. Of course, now before we proceed to the deal of the day, I want to highlight that today is going to be risky. There is a lot of news going to happen today. I was actually thinking to cancel the deal of the day, but however, I believe the market will most likely not gonna make that much of impact upon this news. So therefore, guys, please be alert that today is gonna be full of news, and for that, please be cautious and careful while you are trading this signal, which I'm about to give you right now. So the deal of the day will be actually on the EURUSD. Right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, the EURUSD is actually facing right now a strong resistance level, and now we can expect a pullback to happen. However, it's important to highlight that the market has just made here a strong bullish breakout from that level of a previous resistance trend line. Now, of course, that signal will not be waiting for the EURUSD to fall all the way right here to retest that area, because I think it already happened. As we can see right here, if I draw my line correctly, as we can see exactly, that was the respected level of a resistance trend line, and there is the bullish breakout from that level, and those two tails right there representing, of course, the retest of that level or the support trend line. So therefore, the reversal or the retest has already happened, and I believe now we can trade the continuation of the rise. So that means that we have to wait for a small pullback to happen. Now, moving to the daily chart. Right now on the daily chart, I would recommend that the safest level to start buying this pair is going to be exactly right there at the peak of the highest level of the nearest resistance to the current bullish breakout candle, which was also the nearest support, as we can see right here, exactly at 1.06399. Not only that, if we check, of course, the Fibonacci retracement right now, we can see right now, guys, that we have just made here the bullish breakout from 61.8. Now, of course, right now we are having here a resistance level which has already respected that area. However, if the market will retest 61.8, that's going to be good, because it's not only right here we're having key support level, but also retesting, of course, a broken level of the resistance. Also, just to add some flavor to the signal, if we check here right now the support trend line, what I can do right now is simply channel like that. So therefore, we can see that the market has here created a channel. Of course, I'm on the daily chart. Let me just move to the 4-hour time frame. Exactly. So right now we are seeing here this channel has been broken out from. So therefore, again, we can buy the retest of the same channel, which is also right here the previous level of the resistance. So everything says that this is going to be fine trade. And for that, let me just go back to the daily chart and draw the line right there. Right here to make it at the highest level of the resistance. Now moving to the 4-hour time frame just to have an accurate entry. If I'm not mistaken, I think it should be fine. Yes, it's absolutely fine. The nearest support right here, it was a support right there. I think it should be fine. Let me just, one last confirmation is by check the resistance trend line right now, like that. What I will do next is simply drag the very same line and place it all the way right there at the nearest support trend line. Let me just check again. I need to be sure. I think this is not the right one. 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. We need to highlight two key resistance trend lines levels, like this one, for example. Check this out. Right there, we're having a resistance trend line level. It has been respected right there also. So what I will do next is simply drag and move the same line that I have just made right there and place it all the way right there at the nearest support trend line. Exactly. Check this out. Right there, we do have right here a support trend line, which has faced here a resistance trend line, a fake breakout, and finally the bullish breakout. So therefore, yes, indeed, we can expect the reversal to happen right there, and then the market will continue the rise. So everything says that we can start buying right here. However, the take profit level will be right here at the highest level of the nearest resistance at 1.07368, aiming approximately another 96 profit from this signal. And of course, since we are relying on that level of a previous resistance, the stop loss can be placed just right there below that level of the support, because if the market will be able to reach that area, or actually to break out from that area, then it means that most likely we are facing here a fake breakout and the market will just continue the fall. So therefore, let me just consider that the stop loss, guys, will be 42 pips against 95 pips of profit. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the EURUSD. Now it's rising. I hope it will be activated by today. I hope the market will reach this area so we can all enter it together. And of course, don't forget to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal from me personally. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.